Voice. How many different types of voices we have? You know what? That's right. So we're talking about one is active voice. The other one, passive voice. Active means actually the subject does something. Okay. So now passive means the subject receive that action. All right. That's the big difference. Now also voice. So we can use only sentences with object like this. Okay. Usually we have subject, then verb, and object. So we have two different types of verbs, right? Okay, so what is we call VT and VI. So when you look it up the dictionary, then you can see VT, VI. Okay, VT means a transitive verb. Okay, so transitive verb, and the other one is a intransitive verb. Okay, so now that means transitive verb with, okay, so with object. So object means like I love you, then you is object. So this one is a without object. Okay, that means like usually I am a boy, or I became a doctor, things like that. I go, you come. Okay, those kind verbs. So we're talking about VI, which is an intransitive verb. Okay, now like I said, okay, subject first, then verb and object. Now, okay, this kind form we call active. Okay, so active because okay, this action, okay, done by subject. Okay, so this one like this. Okay, but what about passive voice? Okay, so passive. Okay, so you use object, you change object to subject form, then you use this one right here, then you use be verb. Be, you know what I mean? Be means like a M, R, is, was, were, been, okay, things like that, right? Okay, then you change this verb to PP. Okay, you know what PP is? Past participle. Okay, past participle means like do, did, done. Okay, done. Okay, so the last one right there, that's the past participle right there. Okay, so like a go, went, gone, gone. Okay, that's past participle, things like that. But in this case, we're talking about transitive verb. That's why like a eat. Eat what? Okay, drink what? Drink. Okay, so past participle is drink. Drank, drink, drank, drunk, right? Drunk or drunken. Okay, so things like that. Now, then you add usually by. Okay, usually by. Okay, then change the subject to objective form. Okay, so there's gonna be subject come here, but you change this one to object form. Okay, so like this, object. Okay, so then this one gonna be subject form. Okay, now that means you exchange it, right? Okay, let's say like I love you. Okay, then okay, this one right here, you, that's object, right? So you change this one to subject. Okay, so same thing. Okay, so you, then be verb, which is A-R-E, you are. Okay, so now you change this one love to past participle, which is loved. Okay, loved. Okay, then what did I say? By. Then you change this subject to object form. That's right, that's me. Haha. So passive voice looks like this one. Okay, subject but from object. Okay, this object actually from the subject. Okay, then verb portion is going to be like this one. Actually, oh, that's right. This subject actually receive that action right there. See? Okay. So, okay, what about this sentence? My cup broke. Oh man, I heard somebody saying that. Okay, so my cup broke. That's wrong, right? Because a cup cannot break something. Okay, somebody else break cup, right? Okay, so in this case, this one actually my cup is receiving that action. That's why this one has to be what? Passive. That's right. So actually, I broke my cup. So actually, change this one to this shape. So you must use what? Be verb right here. That means my cup was, okay, because this one is a past form. Then you gotta use this one to what? Past participle, which is broken. Okay, so broken. Okay, so my cup was broken. Maybe you can add by someone. You know what I mean? So by me or something like that. All right. What do you think about this one? I got caught. Maybe policeman maybe did catch you yesterday, something like that. A lot of people say, I got caught. Okay. You know what? Grammatically, this one is nothing wrong. Okay, so nothing wrong with this. But actually, you should use have, right? So I've. Okay, so have right there. Okay, so I've got caught. Okay, but usually people say I got caught. All right. So in this case, this one is perfect tense right there. Then usually be plus, so like this one right here. Okay, so be plus pp, but sometimes you can use get pp. Okay, so in this case, this one also okay passive voice. This means I've got caught. That means maybe a policeman did catch me. That's it. Okay, so obviously, so we have so many exceptions. That's one reason to learn English hard, because too many exceptions. Okay, so talk about something else later. All right.